Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from ByBit to your bank account. If this video will be helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. So now let's go ahead and go to our assets. Once you are here, you will see an option withdraw. If you would click withdraw option, you would see fiat and crypto. If you already have fiat, then just click on the fiat money you want to withdraw, enter the amount, and that's it. Now, if you don't have fiat, first you will need to go ahead and convert your crypto. So, for example, you have USDT and you want to go ahead and transfer it and exchange it to, for example, euros. So you will go ahead, enter the amount you want to convert. After that, you're gonna convert it to your fiat money you chose. And then you will have that, and you can go ahead, choose withdraw, fiat, choose your money, enter the amount, and choose SEPA payment in order to go ahead and have it in your bank account. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.